Good morning, students. Yesterday live class we discussed about what is blood pressure, what is cardiac muscles, everything. So I told that a new chapter we can read in the electrocardiogram. Okay, that is what is that ECG. Electrocardiogram is ECG. It is very important. From the practical also it is there, and the important question for the public exam maybe they will ask, what is the electrocardiogram? It is a record the electrical activity of the heart over the period of the time using the electrodes placed on the skin, arms, legs and chest. Where it is placed, underline the word skin, arms, legs and chest. It record changes the electrical potential across the heart during one cardiac cycle. The special flap of the muscles which initiate the heartbeat is called as a sino-auricular node. What is that? Sino-auricular node. Otherwise it is we call it as a SA node. Okay, it's that where it is present, right atrium. It spread as the wave of the contraction. Okay, wave it is in the heart. Wave. Okay, you see that in the beach we can see the wave, no? That like it is a waves happen. The waves of the ECG are due to the depolarization. Already we told in the heart we are studying, no, that repolarization, depolarization, which is potassium and iron. The calcium and potassium, sorry, iron is not there. Calcium and potassium is very important. Depolarization means what I told yesterday live class, and repolarization, what is that? Okay, so that is very important. Here what is happen? Depolarization only happen due to the concentration of heart. This way of that depolarization occurred before the beginning of the contraction of the cardiac muscles. It's a soft muscle, it is a cardiac muscle. It's a contraction and it is very important. The normal ECG show 3 waves. Very important. How many waves are 3 waves? What are the waves? P wave, QRS and complex. And T wave is shown in the figure. P is separate, QRS is the together we call as the one wave and T wave. Okay. 7.9 figure, it is a ECG graph is there. If you are from home, it is also ECG graph in that. The next live class I show the ECG graph to you. Okay, live class. Okay, next P wave, it is a atrial depolarization. P wave means what? Atrial depolarization. It's a small upward. Upward means it moving up. Upward means it moving up. So see like that. It is the upward. Okay. So in that way the upward moving in, this is the time taken the exceedance of the spread through the atrium from the SA node. SA node means what? Tell me, SA node means what? Yeah, you can check it as a SA node is the sinoatrial node. Don't forget that. Hereafter we can talk like SA node only, but you don't forget the SA is a sinoatrial node. The contraction of the both the atria lasts at around how many seconds? 0.8 to 1.0 second is very important. PQ interval AV node delay. It is the onset of P wave to the onset of the QRS complex. This is from the start of the depolarization of the atrial of the beginning of the ventricular depolarization. It's the time taken from the impulse to travel from the atrial to ventricle. This how much seconds only it is present? 0.12 and 0.21 seconds. It is the measure of the AV nodes. Okay, so it is the AV contraction time. Next, QRS, it is a ventricular depolarization. QRS is the ventricular depolarization. No separate way for atrial depolarization in the ECG visible. So atrial depolarization occurred simultaneously with the ventricular depolarization. The normal QRS complex is 0.6 to 0.06. It's very low, 0.09. Okay, and the fibrous prolonged the QRS indicated through the contraction through the ventricle. See, this is the already Parkinson's kiss we have studied in a bundle of kiss. So in that branches only here block in the bundle of kiss. See, this is the graph of the normal ECG. So upward, see, this is the light slightly upward. So this is the atrial first P wave. Okay, it is what is that? P wave. How much interval here? Here is the interval time 0.2. Okay, 0.2 interval, and after that it is the ventricular depolarization. It is a peak. It go for the peak. So ventricular depolarization. After that it will come sinal. It is a downwards. It is a S. So how much time it will be taking? 0.2, 0.4, and after that move from that ventricular depolarization in the format of the loss is a 0.8 seconds. So this is the remaining point of the ventricular repolarization. This is the graph of normal ECG. If any problem if you happen in our body, heart, so this signal is changes. What is that changes? Signal is maybe it is upward, it is a normal one, maybe it is just like it is moving means. So if you have any problem. So if you see a lot of film movie, so it is up and down moving up like down means the patient will be died. So this some other block is there, maybe heart block is there, anything is there means this normal graph we didn't get. This is the normal graph of our heart rate. So it is not getting from this normal graph means you have a problem. Okay, it lies between the QRS complex and D wave. It is the time during which all region of the ventricle and complex depolarization. So prolonged the heartbeat, and so potassium efflux is responsible for the plateau. So it is ST segments is the very important. So how much it is lost only 0.09 seconds. Very 9 seconds. Okay, so you can note the 9 means 1 2 3 4, not like that. This is 0.09, so it is very minute, then it's a minus wave. Okay, T valve is the ventricular depolarization. The represent ventricular depolarization duration of T wave is longer than QRS complex because repolarization before that and all the waves we are talking about the only depolarization, not I didn't open my mouth in repolarization. So you know that the difference between the depolarization and repolarization. So repolarization take place simultaneously throughout the ventricular depolarization. Are you understood? Throughout the ventricular of depolarization. So this is the happen. Okay, next class we can see about the double circulation in the live class. Thank you students. If you have a doubt about in this record, please ask in the live class. Okay.